Hi, my name is Ivory and I own Incite Strategies Credit Repair. At Incite Strategies, we help people to repair damaged credit and also aid people in establishing credit if they have no credit history. At Incite Strategies, the client base that we work with all primarily have one goal in mind, and that's to become a homeowner. We work very closely with realtors and loan officers and you to make sure that your dreams of homeownership can come true as quickly as possible. We're going to do everything we can not only to help you improve your credit score, but to put you in a position where as your credit score improves, that we're helping you with your debt. Do you need things like a consolidation loan? Is it possible to refinance some of your debt, for instance an auto loan, so you have lower monthly payments? Things like your debt to income ratio are just as important when it comes to qualifying for a mortgage. And this is an area that we also place heavy focus on throughout the process. We place a very large focus on credit education as well. And through that, we offer webinars, different video series on education. And those webinars and educational opportunities are for both our clients, any consumer that wants a credit education, as well as other professionals like loan officers and realtors who may need to learn more about credit and how it can help their borrowers. Here's a little bit about me and why I started Incite Strategies. I came from a background where I helped people during the subprime mortgage crisis, those that were hit hardest and had more than one mortgage and owed a significantly higher dollar amount than the value of their property. What I did at that time was help to restructure their debt, and I traveled all around the country helping hundreds of people fix their credit and debt issues and prevent things like foreclosure and the loss of their property. I eventually moved into the side of compliance where we were looking at the modification process, the short sale process, really anything that was default related internally, and making sure that those processes were adjusted to comply with Department of Justice consent orders and new regulations created by, at that time, a new regulating body, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This all gave me a strong insight that I can't say I've heard of another credit repair company having. I was able to work at one of the largest banks in the country and see the ins and outs of exactly how the regulations impact consumers and able to use that information now to help our clients be extremely successful when it comes to working to improve their damaged credit. I also have a background in financial planning as well, so by combining my different experiences, I'm able to help put together a curriculum for our client base that allows them to thrive financially. We have a heavy focus, of course, on credit because that's our passion. That's what we do, is help people repair damaged credit. But we also know how important it is to understand the basics of budgeting and create a really strong financial foundation so that you don't end up in a vicious cycle of paying off debt and then getting back into a bad debt situation again. We want our clients to leave the process understanding credit, understanding how to save more money, and being able to build wealth over time that they can pass on to their family. If you're interested in learning more about our services and how we may be able to help you, you can schedule a free consultation. There's a link here on our website, or feel free to contact us by calling us at 503-395-3092. Once again, I am Ivory Becker, owner and founder of Incite Strategies.